And so sleep is a very broad topic. So sleep can be addressed by consumer app, consumer devices, medicine, research and everything. So AI will definitely help any of these different fields in different ways.
Hi everyone, I'm Michael and welcome to the next episode of our Industry Expert series. I'm joined here today with Quentin Soulet, the CEO of Dreem. Thank you for joining us today. As we sort of kickstart this episode, I was hoping you could add some flavor to your journey to the sleep tech space, specifically around Dreem's origins, where you are and how you've essentially got there.
We started the company 9 years ago when I was still in college, and I was very much interested in merging technology and medicine in general. And so we met with a team of sleep doctors and sleep scientists. We saw that as a huge opportunity to improve health at scale. So we worked with them, and the first thing we did was to develop a device, a headband, that can measure sleep very precisely, provide coaching and neurofeedback to help people sleep better. And we did that with a consumer product. That was the first year of the company. We had some very strong results and outcomes. We managed to show that our device is equivalent to a polysomnography to measure sleep. Our device and algorithm are equivalent to a polysomnography and a sleep expert to assess sleep. And we also have shown that we can improve insomnia and improve sleep disorders with personalized coaching and personalized biofeedback. We've decided to go a bit further in the medical and healthcare world. And so our headband has been used and is still used by hundreds of research labs all over the world, like Stanford, MIT, Harvard, all the big labs. Today, if they want to measure sleep efficiently, they're going to that with our headband. We even have 2 headbands in space to measure the sleep of the French, German astronauts. And also in parallel, we have developed a full clinic, a digital sleep clinic, to diagnose and treat patients with sleep disorders. So we've got our own care team, doctors, nurses, medical assistants. We use our technology to make diagnosis at home easy and efficient, to make treatment of sleep disorders easy and efficient, and follow-up also easy for the patient. So it's been a pretty long journey from the beginning to today, but a very exciting one.
And I guess as an expert in the sleep space, how are you seeing it evolving?
Sleep is becoming more and more a thing. People used to brag about not sleeping, and that's kind of discussion that you had at the office for quite a while. Now, I think people understand that it's a very important part of health. If people have an underlying sleep disorders or problems with their sleep, that even if you want to treat, for example, diabetes or cardiovascular disease or depression or anxiety, it's very hard to treat the disease efficiently. So more and more, we see people being aware of that, and more sleep is integrating into the different care pathway to treat people efficiently. That's true in the care world, but also in the research world. We see more and more scientific publications about how sleep and everything else are intertwined or interrelated.
Great, and just spinning off of that, where actually the Softmatter team is fresh off of CES, which was last week in Vegas, and there were obviously a bunch of underlying themes, but one thing that did stand out to us was AI, and how it's essentially influencing a lot of the products and services consumers interact with today. Are you seeing AI playing a strong role in sleep, and sort of where do you see that sort of trajectory or evolution going?
Well, I think AI will play a role in every part of our lives, in every part of society in general. And so sleep is a very broad topic. So sleep can be addressed by consumer app, consumer devices, medicine, research and everything. And so AI will definitely help any of these different field in different ways. We can see, for example, in the drug development space, where AI is used to define new molecules or to find new molecules that can have an impact. On the care delivery space also, AI will help the patient to coach the patients, make sure they do the right step, like a partner for them that will be there all the time. So and on the consumer field too, you can imagine some great capabilities to give your tools or sleep trackers or anything much more capabilities and much more potential about the insights they can give to you, or the way they can personalize it or take you by the hand to bring you where you want to be. So yeah, definitely that's going to play a role, but I think it's going to be each part of sleep are going to use one particular phase.
Different aspects, yeah, makes sense. The final question I had was, if you look at Softmatter, we essentially operate at the intersect of textiles and technologies and how we really bring that together. I guess my question, and I guess for our audience as well, just to understand your insight or rather your opinion on how you're seeing textiles and soft good, innovative solutions really impacting the sleep space today and in the next 5 years and beyond.
It will impact sleep, of course. It will impact health in general. I think technology, to be efficient and adopted, need to disappear. What you are doing at Softmatter and being able to integrate that seamlessly into our clothes, into our daily tools that we use every day, can bring technology closer to us and impact the capability to provide personalized or efficient healthcare in general. I think for sleep that's particularly true, but again, we can think about a lot of different applications. It can be done for an athlete who wants to improve their performance, so they know much more about their sleep. It can be done for something where have sleep apnea, devices like a CPAP mask, I think that will be much more seamlessly integrated that people can use easily. Or for any other pathology where you need to monitor precisely health or biological parameters of a person. So I think what you do about that allows these sensors to be seamlessly integrated in our day-to-day clothes, opens a lot of doors on what can be done in the future.
So I guess that wraps up our episode for today. Thank you, Quentin, for joining. I'm looking forward to great things from Dreem in the future as well. But yeah, thank you for your time. Really appreciate it. Thank you.